Hi, welcome to a video on from Kite Magic talking about a Trebuchet, which is a throwing device which can be a lot of fun, and it can be a challenge on one, putting it together, and two, trying to get the ball to go as far as possible. So this is the end result, but when you get your Trebuchet kit, it should come in something a bit like this with all the components in, and you can see there's lots of bits to make this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to step through the various pieces, and then we're going to show you how to put the kit together so that it'll end up like this, and so eventually it will work and do something a bit like that. Okay, so we've seen the device, or the Trebuchet, throwing the ball. Now what we need to do is look at the components that make up that device, and then also step through how we put those bits together to make that final Trebuchet that actually works consistently. So let's have a look at some of the parts that we don't need until right at the end. So there's a couple of tent pegs in it, and they're designed to hold the actual device down if we're out on the oval. There's a nice little red packet here, which is the weight packet. And while I'm talking about weights, Bunnings have these fantastic square washers that weigh a fair bit. And what it does is it means when we freight the unit to you, we don't have to pay for the freight on these washers. So sometimes they're not included with the kit. But of course what they do is they go inside the weight packet, and if you purchase a bunch of these, and then you can load up the weight packet to whatever sort of weight that you might need, which is one of the variations of this kit. There's a piece of core fruit in there, and this is designed to be where we actually place the bag on to actually end up as a throwing device. It's the last piece that we put in the kit. And of course it does come at the moment with a table tennis ball, which is great as a testing piece, and of course you can substitute that for some other components, some other balls and things that you might want to end up changing the weight that you're actually throwing. One other item. So now let's have a look in detail at some of these pieces. I've tried to lay them out a little bit here so that you can actually see them. So there's a packet here with a leather pouch in it and some pieces of string. That's important, of course, but it's one of the last pieces that we're going to do. We have the throwing arm, and the throwing arm's been put together. One end we have an eyelet with a hook device, and you see here it's bolted with some tape on it and 3 different holes. And the idea behind that is we can vary the position of where we place the arm, which changes the length of the arm. On the far end we have another bolt with a hook hanging off the end, and that hook is where we actually attach the weight to, the weight bucket. So that's the throwing arm. We have these 2 lots of 3 rods. One is a thick wider rod, and then some square rods, and these are made up to be the base or the side arms to hold the throwing arm. So there's 2 lots of those. And then the last part that we have for our kit are these 4 rods and 6 3D printed parts, and they go together to form the base of our Trebuchet, and we use these bolts to help us do that. So let's step through it one by one, putting our kit together so that we end up with that fantastic end result.